Fire safety is critical, but many families don't have an escape plan in place. Fortunately, AI tools can help you create a personalized fire escape plan with ease. Let's dive into how you can leverage AI to make your home safer for emergencies. 1. Why a fire escape plan is important. 1. Why it matters. Fires can spread rapidly, leaving only minutes to escape. 1. A well-thought-out plan saves lives. 2. Key statistics. In the US, home fires claim an average of 2,500 lives annually. Families with a fire escape plan are significantly more likely to evacuate safely. 2. How AI can help with fire safety planning. AI-powered home mapping tools. 1. How it works. AI tools like Room Sketcher or Floor Planner allow you to create a digital layout of your home. These tools can identify escape routes and recommend improvements. 2. Steps to use. Upload your home's dimensions or use AI to map the layout. Label exits, windows, and potential hazards, like heaters or stoves. Fire hazard detection. 1. How it works. Smart home devices like Nest Protect use AI to detect smoke and carbon monoxide. AI systems can analyze patterns to predict fire risks, like overloaded outlets or frequent appliance overheating. 2. Steps to use. Install smart detectors in key areas, kitchen, bedrooms, etc. Connect these devices to a central app for alerts. Escape route optimization. 1. How it works. AI tools can simulate fire scenarios to suggest the safest escape routes. Some apps, like NFPA Fire Escape Planner, use AI to generate clear evacuation plans. 2. Steps to use. Input your home layout. Let the app simulate fire conditions and recommend the fastest exits. 3. Steps to create your AI-enhanced fire escape plan. Step 1. Map your home. 1. Use AI tools to create a digital layout. 2. Label all exits, windows, and rooms. Step 2. Identify hazards. 1. Use smart devices to locate fire risks. 2. Examples: space heaters, overloaded outlets, or flammable materials. Step 3. Plan multiple escape routes. 1. AI tools can simulate blocked exits and recommend alternatives. 2. Ensure each family member knows 2 ways out of every room. Step 4. Create a meeting point. 1. Choose a safe spot outside your home where everyone will gather. 2. AI mapping tools can help identify the most accessible location. Step 5. Practice your plan. 1. Run drills using AI simulations to refine escape times. 2. Adjust your plan based on feedback from family members and AI suggestions. 4. Benefits of using AI for fire safety. 1. Accuracy. AI tools account for details like furniture placement and hazards. 2. Efficiency. Create a plan quickly without needing professional help. 3. Adaptability. Easily update your plan as your home or needs change. Conclusion: a fire escape plan is one of the most important steps you can take to protect your family. By using AI tools, you can create a detailed, efficient, and life-saving plan in no time. Have you used AI for fire safety or other home planning? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on using technology to improve your life.